Hey guys, welcome back to E.B.M Story Channel. Today we're checking out the Barbie 2019 Dishwasher. This is an accessory pack and it costs about $10, but as soon as I saw it, I knew that I had to add it to my collection. I mean, you know, with all of these Barbie sets that have all these random plates or cups or silverware, you gotta have somewhere to put them, right? And now we do! This is just what it is. It's a sink and a dishwasher with a little counter space and a shelf for stacking plates on or cups. It has this dish rack for plates, so I guess that would be for cups. And it stands about 6 inches tall, or to Barbie's waist. On a side note, the doll doesn't actually come with this set, I just need her to model for me. There are 5 holes right here so you can stack cups or plates on here and they won't move. And then there's one more down here for soap or something. The door opens and you can hang the towel on this little handle here. I had no idea until I actually looked at the pictures of this online. There is actually quite a bit of room on the bottom rack, so when I get home I'll have to shove some more dishes in here and see what else we can clean. When you open it up, it has this tray inside. It makes it easier to be able to load and unload the dishwasher since you can take it out. Let's just fix that. Here are all the accessories included with the dishwasher. There's the tray, there's 4 plates, a dish drying rack, 4 knives, 4 forks, 4 spoons, 4 cups, a towel, dish detergent, and hand soap, along with the dishwasher, of course. Okay guys, so right now we are not at home and I don't have any doll stands, so this is the one time in my life that I'm so grateful for dolls with flat feet because she's standing by herself. Oh, thank goodness. So everything fits really well in the dishwasher. There's just the silverware because of these giant holes here. Sometimes the forks or knives will fall out. There goes my dish detergent. So if there were more spacers or if I just had more silverware, see, because it's falling down like that. Doesn't want to stand up. So here, all of the stuff fits in. There's the silverware over here. I put the cups over here with one straggler right there. And all the plates fit nicely. There's dividers right there, so it holds them in good. Yeah, I love this playset. Well, thank you for joining me as we looked at the Barbie dishwasher playset. Check out our other toy reviews in the link below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!